what do we have for review with ourselves today? Apple Series 11. Here, the watch is here in my hand. Well, I must tell you, the Apple Watches are one of their best products. When they introduced it into the market, post that, they've been very consistent with it. They've been so consistent that they had to actually come up with a simpler version, which is the SE, and then what everybody demands for, the Ultra version, which is actually for sports enthusiasts. Well, the series, now it's reached the 11th version, so it's the Series 11 here we have with ourselves. I'm going to unbox and show you guys the device and talk to you about it as well. So, well, what do we have inside it? We get the Apple Watch, we get the band and the USB charging cable. Well, you also have a scanning option out here. You can just scan and know more about your equipment. Well, so here, you unbox it. I've forever enjoyed the packaging. It's, by the way, it can be recycled. So that's also a good step there. Looks nice, pretty. And here, you get your watch over here, the Series 11. And as you can see, it is the silver color, the aluminum finish that we have. You just, whenever you get a new product, just unboxing it has its own fun to itself, for sure. So let's unbox this one for you. And it clearly mentions over here is the Series 11 silver aluminum case is what we have. This is the latest one over here for you. And yes, it's the 42mm watch, nicely packed dial you get for yourself. Here is the little Series 11 for you. Well, this one, keeping all the advances that they've made, you know, that this obviously you get a slightly more larger screen. It is more curvy and clearer for sure. When you use and when I review it for you after using it, of course, going to tell you all about all the health updates that this has, which is actually better, what all more that you can do with the watch, and how well they've improved the connectivity of the watch, which is very, very important. Because essentially, you know, you want your watch to be easily usable, especially when you're not around your phone. That's one very important thing when people use their watch as well. Here again, what we get the cable. You get an intact cable over here for yourself, well put together. I fortunately have the one from the previous one, so I don't need to plug this one out. You will have to get yourself an adapter. If you don't have the watch earlier, you'll have to get yourself an adapter. Here, let's look at the strap. In the straps also, now you have multiple options, and even with the Nike ones, you're going to get multiple more options to choose from. So that's going to be fun. Well, what do we have here? This looks nice. All the information in there, and here you'll get yourself the strap. Well, for all those for whom it's going to be a new watch, instructions well explained as per how to slip into your strap onto your watch. I'll do the same for you. Let's slide in the watch, simple and sleek. Well, new watch feeling, always nice. Well, this looks beautiful. As always, this is very nice, more of a mauvish, purplish color that I have got for myself over here. And I always wear my watch on my left wrist, so I'm going to design it with my watch for the left wrist for me. And yes, as always, the strap feels really soft and nice, which is important. Feels light onto your wrist, which is very, very essential. Even when you hold the watch up there, this is nice and soft. The product quality seems to be getting better by year. Very visibly after the 10, if you've been wearing it for a while and been using it, you will find that the screen space is even larger now, which feels great. They've also improved battery. So well, when I was telling you guys that I might not use this one, I actually will use the charging slot. Reason being that now you're going to get a fast charge. So actually on a 15-minute charge, your watch can go on for 8 hours. That's what they claim. I shall use it and tell you all about it for sure. Simply out of the box, this looks nice. It certainly looks very much similar to its predecessors, but it has taken the cues and understood that it needs to be more refined, so it has a better glass which gets less scratch. That's what they claim. Use it and I will tell you all about it. The strap is nice and soft, slick. very easy to slip on and wear, does not feel heavy on the hand at all as you take it out. The unboxing experience for Apple products has always been wonderful. It feels nice, it feels premium, it feels great. They continue to do that as always. Well, this one is Series 11 for you, priced on the box at about 53,000 plus. That's what it's going to be. No longer are Apple Watches cheap products, I must tell you that. But for someone who's looking for something lesser, you do have an SE, and someone who is more fond of something more enthusiastic, you want it for your sports, you want it to go deep sea diving, you get the Ultra for yourself over there. Well, for now, this is the Series 11 in front of you. I'm going to review this very soon and tell you all about it. But from the very first look, when you unbox it, I must say, it's quite a thumbs up.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsx YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.